What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
We got also a 2018 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter I-Force. Workhorse. You can see the camper on it and everything. What we got done on this one: 4 factory converters, 2 there, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Then we did a Carven TR system, as you guys can see right there. Carven, if you're listening, give us a shout out. There they are right there, 2 Carven TRs. Part number CVET R25, 2.5 Carven TRs right there. 2 of them. Then 2 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, and 2 some signature 4-inch double-walled stainless steel tips, there and there. There's the stock muffler that was on it, dual in, single out. And there's the tailpipe that was on it, right there. As you guys can see, we cut all that off and put a better, more beautiful system on it. There it is, Carven TR. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe.
Guys, we got a sexy 2018 Toyota Tundra TRD. Do you see it, Timmy? You see it, Jared? Did you enjoy working on it? I know you would. Factory converters, 2 there, 2 there, so it comes to a total of 4. Then it becomes true dual from the factory into a single muffler. We cut that off and ran 2 Carven R's, part number right there. There will be a link in the description for it. Then we ran 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side, there, and some black tips rolled out the back, 4-inch by 18s. There'll be a link in the description for them also, there and right there. There's the factory muffler that comes dual in, single out, with a factory tailpipe. All right there. We cut all that off and made it sexy right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, and like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Toyota Tundra with a Carven TR true dual system. Good? You like it? He approves. Your sound decibels again. 106. Again. That sounds good. Yeah, I like it. And when they break in a little bit more, they get louder. Go ahead and back it up. That's the old muffler and tailpipe that were on it. Remember, guys, Tundras, they come in dual in, single out. So you make sure you get a dual in or 2 mufflers for it if you guys going to dual it out or whatever, as you guys saw earlier in the video. So that sounds nice. I like it. Much better. Let you guys hear on this. Goku is watching. Be careful. I see you. Go ahead. Much better. Toyota Tundra. Sound decibels again. Right, 111. Oh yeah, much better. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. On the inside.
Tundra. 5.7 liter Carven TR system. True dual into 4-inch tail.